Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stabilizing the watch and identifying the crown position. This matters because many watches use one pull for time, another for date. Once the crown is clear, grip it between thumb and forefinger, steady but not squeezing. Pull straight out to the first click. In many pocket models, that's the time-setting position. You do this to disengage the winding gear. Make sure to feel the detent. If there's resistance, stop and reassess. Forcing can damage. You now rotate the crown to advance the hands. Do it deliberately so gears mesh smoothly. If the movement is mechanical, turn forward only. Older escapements can bind if turned backward. Watch the second hand. When it reaches 12, set the minute and hour hands to the desired time, then wait for synchronization if you need precise seconds. Once done, creep the minute hand a bit past the target and then back to eliminate slack, making the set more accurate. You finish by pushing the crown all the way back to its closed position. That re-engages the winding train and protects against dust. Make sure to wind the watch gently, about 10 to 20 turns if it's fully unwound, until you feel slight resistance. If hands slip after setting, check that the crown sat in the detent fully. Sometimes the stem isn't engaged. If slipping or grinding persists, stop. Have a qualified watchmaker inspect the keyless works. This avoids.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.